Yoke, and here's the last one, the bacteria of the nitrogen cycle. And I just want to touch bases on what the major groups of bacteria are and what they do. Most of them are pretty descriptive. Gee, like this first one, decomposers. I wonder what decomposers do. Well, I'm thinking they might decompose things. So these are bacteria that decompose and break down the biomass of the organisms. They break down dead things and they convert it into ammonia primarily. And here's an icky picture of a deer down there. Any kind of roadkill that kind of breaks down and dies and turns into ammonia. But keep in mind that the grass and everything else break down into ammonia also. Then there's nitrifying bacteria. They have a very useful part. What they do, remember, is they change ammonia to nitrates. And keep in mind that, remember, nitrates, as in fertilizer, critically important for all life because producers use that to convert the nitrates back into proteins again. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria. These are handy folks. These are the ones that convert atmospheric nitrogen that we can't use into a form that things can use, which is nitrates. And oftentimes these are found living in the roots of legume plants. This is called a mutualistic symbiotic relationship. But all I want you to know is that nitrogen-fixing bacteria do something good. They convert atmospheric nitrogen to nitrates. And then there's the denitrifying bacteria, which again, from our standpoint, not so good. That they change the nitrates back into N2, which, again, from our standpoint, not a good idea. But it happens. And that's pretty much the different bacteria. So denitrifying bacteria, decomposers, nitrogen-fixing, and nitrifying bacteria. Again, these guys form ammonia. These guys change ammonia that's nitrifying bacteria, to nitrates. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen to nitrates. And denitrifying bacteria pretty much do the opposite of nitrogen-fixing bacteria, changing the nitrates back to N2. And so that's the last one for now. Pretty exciting stuff.